Visiting Delhi, the capital city of India, can be a rich and vibrant experience. Here are 50 things to know when planning your trip to Delhi. General tips. 1. Diverse culture. Delhi is a melting pot of various cultures, languages, and traditions. Respect the diversity and be open-minded. 2. Weather. Delhi experiences extreme temperatures. Summers can be scorching hot, while winters can be chilly. Plan your visit accordingly. 3. Local transport. Delhi has a well-connected metro system, buses, auto rickshaws, and cycle rickshaws. Familiarize yourself with these options for easy commuting. 4. Language. Hindi is the official language, but English is widely understood in tourist areas. 5. Currency. Indian rupee, INR, is the official currency. ATMs are widely available. 6. Dress modestly. In respect of the local culture, dress modestly, especially when visiting religious places. 7. Street food. Delhi is famous for its street food. Try local delicacies, but choose reputable vendors to avoid stomach issues. Attractions. 8. Historical monuments. Visit iconic landmarks like India Gate, Qutub Minar, and Humayun's tomb. 9. Red Fort. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Red Fort is a symbol of India's rich history. 10. Lotus Temple. A unique architectural marvel, the Lotus Temple is a Baha'i house of worship. 11. Akshardham Temple. Known for its stunning architecture, Akshardham showcases Indian art and culture. Shopping. 12. Chandni Chowk. Explore this bustling market for traditional Indian goods, spices, and street food. 13. Delhi Haat. An open-air market offering handicrafts and traditional items from different states of India. 14. Sarojini Nagar Market. Famous for budget shopping, offering clothes, accessories, and more. Cultural etiquette. 15. Greet with Namaste. The traditional Indian greeting is folding hands and saying, Namaste. 16. Remove shoes. When entering someone's home or a religious place, it's customary to remove your shoes. 17. Respect religious sites. Maintain decorum when visiting temples, mosques, gurudwaras, etc. Safety. 18. Bargain smartly. Bargaining is common in markets, but do it respectfully. 19. Be cautious with water. Drink bottled or filtered water to avoid waterborne illnesses. 20. Traffic awareness. Be cautious while crossing roads, as traffic can be chaotic. Festivals. 21. Diwali. Experience the festival of lights, celebrated with decorations and fireworks. 22. Holi. The vibrant festival of colors is widely celebrated in Delhi. Local cuisine. 23. Try chaat. Delhi is renowned for its delicious street food, especially chaat. 24. Butter chicken and naan. Sample the local North Indian cuisine, including butter chicken and naan. 25. Chai. Enjoy a cup of masala chai at a local tea stall. Museums. 26. National Museum. Explore the extensive collection of art and artifacts. 27. Gandhi Smriti. Visit the place where Mahatma Gandhi spent his last days. Parks and gardens. 28. Lodhi Gardens. Relax in this historical park with beautiful monuments. 29. Garden of Five Senses. A serene space with landscaped gardens and artistic features. Events and performances. 30. Delhi Haat Performances. Check for cultural performances at Delhi Haat. 31. Dance and music festivals. Delhi hosts various cultural events throughout the year. Health precautions. 32. Vaccinations. Check with your doctor for recommended vaccinations before traveling. 33. Air quality. Delhi faces air pollution issues, especially in winter. Consider wearing a mask. ### historical walks. 34. Heritage walks. **** Join guided walks to explore the historical streets of Delhi. 35. Old Delhi walking tour. **** Discover the charm of narrow lanes and ancient architecture. ### Transportation. 36. Delhi Metro Card. **** Get a Metro card for convenient and cost-effective travel. 37. Traffic jams. **** Plan your travel to avoid peak traffic hours. ### Accommodation. 38. Diverse accommodations. **** Delhi offers a range of accommodations, from luxury hotels to budget guest houses. 39. Book in advance. **** Especially during peak tourist seasons. ### Festivals and events. 40. Republic Day Parade. **** If visiting in January, witness the Grand Parade. 41. Delhi International Film Festival. **** For film enthusiasts, plan your visit in December. ### Technology and communication. 42. SIM card. **** Get a local SIM card for easy communication. 43. Navigation apps. **** Use navigation apps for hassle-free travel. ### Etiquette. 44. Tipping. **** Tipping is customary in restaurants and for services. 45. Photo permissions. **** Ask for permission before photographing people. ### Connectivity. 46. Internet access. **** Wi-Fi is available in most hotels and public places. 47. Power adapters. **** Bring the appropriate power adapter for your electronic devices. ### Wildlife sanctuaries. 48. Okhla Bird Sanctuary. **** Explore the diverse bird species. 49. Asola Bhatti Wildlife Sanctuary. **** A peaceful retreat on the outskirts. ### Local sports. 50. Cricket matches. **** If possible, catch a live cricket match, a popular sport in India. Remember, Delhi is a city of contrasts, blending ancient history with modernity. Embrace the diversity, savor the flavors, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Delhi's culture. As you embark on your journey to Delhi, let the vibrant colors, rich history, and warm hospitality of this bustling city captivate your senses. Whether you are exploring ancient monuments, navigating through bustling markets, or savoring the flavors of local cuisine, Delhi promises an unforgettable experience. Embrace the contrasts, respect the traditions, and immerse yourself in the unique blend of old and new that defines this incredible capital. May your visit to Delhi be filled with discovery, cultural enrichment, and lasting memories. Safe travels.